everyone. It's Genene here with a 10-minute yoga warm-up for the shoulders and some sneaky abs. No props needed, no fanfare, come as you are. Just let's begin on our backs, knees bent, feet flat, and we'll get started. Cross your right thigh over your left thigh. And then inhale. If you have the room, you can stretch your arms out. If you don't, it doesn't matter. Exhale, cross. Left arm over right arm, bend at the elbows and grab at your ribs. Like you're giving yourself a nice warm hug. And breathe here into this. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Inhale. Exhale, lift your knees up into your chest. Pull the low belly in. Inhale, lower down. And then exhale, knees in. Inhale, lower. Making sure you're not arching your low back. Just let it keep the natural curve. Exhale, knees in. Inhale, lower. And exhale. Inhale with control. And then exhale, draw it in. Hold, hold, hold. And inhale. Set the feet down. And other side. Uncross the arms, uncross the legs. Cross left thigh over right thigh. Squeeze the legs. And then right upper arm over left upper arm. And then bend the elbows, grab the ribs. Again, imagine all these warm, toasty feelings you're giving yourself. You're activating your acupuncture meridian, lowering your stress level, just by giving yourself a hug right here at the ribs. Let's add the legs. Inhale, exhale, knees in, and inhale, lower. So letting the belly be the one that's driving this action. Exhale, lift up, and inhale, lower. And exhale, lift up, inhale, lower, and two more. Exhale, and inhale, and exhale, and inhale. And cross your limbs, and go to the first side. So cross right thigh over left thigh, and this time you have the option to go a little deeper. If you're able to, you can hook your right foot behind left calf. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cross. Left arm over right arm, and this time grab the shoulders. Another opportunity to hug yourself. And this time you can stick with the legs if this is no good on your neck, if it's really bothering you today. Just lift the legs instead. Otherwise, we're going to lift the upper body. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, pull the low belly in to lift the upper body up. And then inhale, come down. Exhale up like the heart is leading this action. Inhale. And probably going exhale slower than you want, which is perfect. So you can't throw yourself up here. Exhale and inhale, and you're protecting your neck. And exhale. You don't want to give yourself whiplash. Inhale, lower. And then switch sides. Again, hooking the foot if you can. And this time your right arm crosses over left. Hug the shoulders. And then inhale. And exhale, lift the upper body or the legs. And inhale, lower. So feeling how you're guiding yourself. You're in control going up and you're in control going down. So you're not just throwing yourself up or falling down. And inhale, inhale, yes. Exhale, inhale. One more, exhale, and inhale. Uncross everything and go to side one. Third time's a charm. You can hook your foot or not. Cross left arm over right, and this time eagle arms, Garudasana arms. So you can bring your palms together if that's available to you. And then option to just do the legs or just do the upper body or to do everything all at once. So inhale and exhale. Maybe you touch the elbow to the knee and then inhale, come down and exhale, draw it in. Feel how strong you are. Inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale and inhale, uncross and go to the other side. So left thigh over right thigh, hook the foot maybe, and right arm over left, palms together, and find the center of your pelvis. Everything else is lifting off the ground. Inhale and exhale, lift up and inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Uncross everything and roll onto your bellies. Now, lie down on your belly and bring your hands to the top of your head. Gently press through the top of your head and extend the crown of your head, the top of your head, into your hands and feel the extension of the neck. Keep that, release your hands. So this is going to assist you, especially if your neck is bothering you. And then join your legs together. So you won't be able to go as far in this Bhujangasana, cobra pose, purposely. You're only going to go to your lowest rib. So this is more spinal extension. Lengthen through the tailbone and stretch up through the crown of the head. Keep that length. Inhale, come up. And exhale, lower down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Keep the pubic bone pressed into the earth. Legs joined together. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower, and flow with your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Feel the spinal muscles warming up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take your feet as wide as your hip bones. Come on to forearms, head looking down at the ground at first, and lengthen both sides of your waist. Root down through the legs and every single toenail. Then slowly curl the heart. Bring the bottom tips of the shoulder blades together. Lift the chest. Lift your gaze. Lift right up through the crown of your head. Exhale, lower down. And now Bhujangasana is going to feel so free compared to when your legs were together. Watch. So swing the elbows in, gathering all that energy into the center of the pelvis, and then extend down through the legs, up through the crown of the head, and lift, and breathe here. It's okay to smile. And exhale, lower down. Press up onto hands and knees, and then gazing about 3 feet out in front of you so your neck is nice and long. Inhale, right arm off to the right. Thread the needle. Exhale, slide the left arm through underneath the left arm, right ear to the floor, and then walk your right hand forward, coming onto fingertips, hand flat. Wrap the left shoulder blade onto the back even more. Keep your hips still, just turn your belly and your heart to the left. And then maybe you want to, for the last breath, take your hand to your low back. Bring your hand back overhead if you brought it to your back, and then walk it underneath your shoulder. Press down through the left hand, lift up. Let's go to the other side. Left hand off to the left. Exhale, slide it through. Twist. Walk the right hand forward. Maybe bring it behind the back, rolling that shoulder open. Bring it back overhead and then underneath the shoulder so you can untwist and come to an easy cross-legged position. Bring both hands in front of your heart, gently closing your eyes. Let yourself be breathed. Please remember to click like if you like this video. It's very important. It lets me know you want more. If you have not subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button. And now, notice how much better you feel than when you began. For now, thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to working with you again very soon. Namaste.